the big topic of the year is AI, right? And so can we use AI to help us create maybe a content calendar or something around this in order to make sure that we're hitting those numbers, that framework that you set up for us?
Yeah, obviously can use AI. I think what I would focus on, because like we even were talking before this about how like you can have a podcast and you can video it and then you can take those and, you can edit those down and you can use AI for that sometimes. But really thinking about, yes, I'm going to use AI. I can do that with like if I'm creating a ChatGPT, like going to ChatGPT and creating a calendar. It knows marketing well enough that you can say like, I need to do attraction content. I need to do nurture and sell. And so it can totally help you build that. The thing that I just am always like, you have to use AI and then put your brains behind it, right? Because there are things that are going viral right now that AI can't, it's not there, right? So AI can totally support you, but you just need to make sure that as you're using these, either AI to edit or AI to, to create that content calendar, that we're really thinking through, okay, great, I got this, but how do I make this my own and how do I make this resonate with my audience?
Right. So it's lacking that connection piece, that empathy piece.
Right.
But it can help you with some of the back end admin
Oh,
work.
absolutely. Okay. AI, yes. Anytime you can outsource, you outsource.
Thank you for watching this short clip. To watch or listen to this episode in its entirety, view the description below. See you next time.